Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 9:30 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bayside to Harvard, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Kenosha, Racine, West Dallas, Wauwatosa, Greenfield, Oak Creek, Mount Pleasant, South Milwaukee, Pleasant Prairie, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, St. Francis, Hales Corners, Sturdivant, Fox Point, Twin Lakes, Union Grove, and Bayside. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.